In websites watch, suppose that there is a website that is down, but if you click on the site, then you see that the site is up. Then what should we do? So step number one is that you click on this I button, then look at this side, and you will find there is a keyword here. So if you do a control C, go to the website, control F, control V, then you, let's say if you don't find that keyword, then what you should do is that obviously here the keyword is wrong. I have purposefully entered a wrong keyword. So I'm just going to remove, like for example, this. So I know that sentiments word exists here. So I'm just going to control C from here, go back here, edit website, then I'll change this keyword to the proper keyword that is actually on the website. Then I'm going to click on submit. So once I click on the submit button, you'll see that still the site is down, right? So it is very clearly written at the bottom that if you think now your website is crawlable, then click here. So I'm just going to click here. So after this is done, I'll try to reload this page. If I reload this page, then it shows up that the site is up here. I'll go back to the dashboard. I'll reload this. So after reload, this is gone. So it is as easy as that.